Daniel got hits.
Like creepy, horror-like caravan park.
No,
The rate.
this guy.
This place is very dodgy.
Yeah.
Probably paid too much, $15 per person. Straight out the way. Oh no, sorry. Got to take the key back. My bad. Yeah, onwards to Lake Taupo today.
And Rotorua.
And we should have a day full of seeing stuff, which will be nice. We didn't see that much yesterday. Yeah. First glimpse of actual New Zealand dollars after 5 days of being here.
Turn left on State
$2,
Highway 1,
$5,
State Highway 1.
And logically, the $1 coin is smaller than the $2 coin. Instead of in Australia where it's backwards, which makes sense.
Continue on State Highway 1 for
Pulled up the Haku Falls.
It looks amazing!
Daniel got hits.
Maybe not.
Just pulled into Waterfall Chasers. It's a more thermal place. Hopefully better than the last one because that was crap.
Yeah.
And a waste of $10 per person. Well, that was a win.
Beautiful.
Well worth the money.
So colourful. And crazy lava looking waters.
Perfect description. Monday the 26th, and we're on the road, just heading through Auckland. I presume that's Auckland. Is that Auckland?
Yeah, over there. I think we're on the outskirts.
Yeah. We've got almost 2 hours until our next destination. We've just been driving on the highway the whole morning. So nothing exciting at all. I've been working. Aaron's been driving.